Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we are unboxing and assembling something exciting, the Green Soul Jupiter Superb, a premium office chair, promises top-notch comfort and ergonomics. I've been looking for a chair upgrade for ages, and this beauty ticks all the boxes. It comes with breathable mesh, adjustable lumbar support, and best-in-class comfort. First things first, let's unleash the beast. The packaging is impressive, sturdy and secure, protecting our precious cargo. Inside, we have everything neatly organized. Green Soul provides clear instructions, and everything slots together intuitively. Place the hydraulic gas lift in the base stand. Remove the screws from the backrest with the Allen key provided. Connect the backrest to the seat with the same screws. Tighten it with Allen key. Remove the screws from the backrest to connect the headrest. Now connect the headrest. Connect the headrest on the backrest and tighten the screws with Allen key. Alright, chair built, mission accomplished. Now comes the best part, sinking into pure comfort. The lumbar support cradles my spine like a hug. The mesh keeps me cool even after hours. Use this knob to adjust the lumbar support. The backrest can tilt up to 135 degrees and lock at 3 angles you want between 90 degrees to 135 degrees. Slide to move the armrest pad forward or backwards. Move the armrest up or down using a trigger-like button under the armrest. Can lean back up to 120 degrees from the seat just by applying load. Thanks for joining me on this unboxing and assembly journey. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe for more tech and lifestyle content. And remember, comfort is king. Until next time, stay happy and productive.